So I got this
Mhm.
51 Panhead as a part of a barn find deal. Um, and
Nice.
I had to buy 3 bikes with it up in South Carolina, and I had to buy them within 24 hours on a Sunday. And it's a tricky
Jeez.
negotiation, but my plan was, ever since I sold that 48 replica Panhead, I wanted a real Panhead. I had a 62. I wanted a real Panhead. I want a rigid frame, and I like the bobber
Mhm.
style. So I was like, I'm gonna get this bike together as a bobber, do a 16-inch rear, 18 front, run a Springer, like some kind of Springer bars, stock bars, and just ride it around. And then maybe in a few years when I get older, I'll restore the whole thing because it was a real frame, real motor,
Mhm.
real transmission.